Hi Alex here, live with Autonomous Trading. Today I bring you one more free resource, one that I've been sharing with investors worldwide. I'm referring to my podcast available, where I'm going to make an introduction here, since there are very interesting facts for which the company already addressed. Every time I go live on Spotify, investors immediately they make exorbitant profits, whether it is $30,000 in one single day, $300,000, or even $1 million, as we published on the blog of the company that I'm going to show you today. I never made a reference to the podcast. I already said I'm not here to sell anything. This is, I'm referring to mathematical facts. Therefore, as of today, for example, you had a tremendous rally once again in Spotify. So what I'm going to refer to is precisely the free podcast that is available for everyone. And the link, it is rather simple. You just have to type this podco/AI. So I'm going to share here my screen with you to show you where you find the podcast. And you are going to find that I've been celebrating on the podcast. There are 3 seasons, okay, where you find terrific stories, investment ideas, and the real stories, and some of them about customers. It started with season 1, where I started celebrating Tesla $500. And in season 3, I'm celebrating Tesla $4,000, precisely the company that Mr. Warren Buffett said that he didn't want to invest in. So you have it here since the very beginning. Welcome Tesla $500. Here is the next Tesla, and so on. And you find here also welcome Tesla $1,000. This in season 1. How is your short position doing? Elon Musk IQ validated higher than Steve Jobs and Warren Buffett combined, and I explain why. How to defeat the coronavirus, quadrupling your profits in the stock market. All this in 2020 here. It started in 2019, I believe. You see here, okay? So today you have season number 3, okay, already. So where we are discussing here different stuff, okay? And as you can see, Alex Vera live on Spotify, Investors Dirty Rich. Every time I go live on the podcast, it happens that share price soars immediately. It is, for example, in the past few days, 20%. So the share price, it was 306. It is, as of today, you got 362 live on the tape. Congratulations to everyone. And moreover, I had the pleasure, for those that they were interested in, but now that I made the introduction to the podcast, if you wish, you can subscribe to it because it is entirely free. This was more or less 8 months ago. I made available a forecast for Spotify investors. I invited everyone. And in fact, this is not the original article. You have to scroll to find the original article. I recommended to publicly to invest in Spotify, buying a massive stake at a price more or less $140, because I already explained, in fact, to you two members, you find all the lessons there about Spotify, for example, addressing the worst case scenario, risk analysis, demonstrating 100% accuracy. And I made available a forecast, $200 million at least, for those that they wanted to invest in Spotify together with me on a long-term basis. So I've been, releasing information, making it available every single time that I go on Spotify. Immediately, people, they make $50,000 US, $100,000 US, $300,000 US is whatever you want, my friends. It depends on your account size, okay? So Alex Vieira playing live on Spotify, it is worth $200 million. In fact, it is worth by far more, as demonstrated, okay? And for those that they purchased also the forecast, for example, recently the company announced earnings, and my call on earnings, it was absolutely perfect, astonishing, demonstrating 100% accuracy. you find precisely this again addressed here on this website, where you just have to scroll down. If you wish to learn what a forecast is, you have here a terrific example where everyone failed. I'm referring to Snowflake and even the case of GameStop. And then you scroll down, you just have to type here precisely Spotify, and you are going to listen to, and it is absolutely marvelous. It is amazing, my friends. Everything that I say, it materializes, and that it is recorded live on the tape and shared immediately with investors all over the world. So congratulations to everyone, those that they accepted the challenge of investing in Spotify together, following my own instructions, and those that they have been regular visitors to the blog of the company, and also those that they accepted to to learn something about the markets precisely by listening to this podcast, where when I have time, I publish there some interesting facts. So I invite you to go through the podcast, namely, for example, in season 1, when I refer to the real story about investing in Tesla and why to invest in Tesla, since Tesla remained my number one priority, as I disclosed and I refer to it thousands of times. I'm the inventor of the strategy pedal to the metal. Then on season number 2, you have here, for example, a story of a customer, Bill Gates, the personality of last year. Bill Gates, precise the one that again I addressed today, an investor in Deere, the company that I refer to as a major investment opportunity for one to make a very minimum of $1 million if they were interested in. The shocking truth about the markets and the coronavirus pandemic. So you have here everything that you wish to know, the naked truth about all these matters, including the truth about this oracle, the scam of Wall Street, Warren Buffett, and the one that has been bearish, Bitcoin since the bottom, and also the naked truth about this American croc, Michael Burry, the big short, the scam that I referred to a long time ago. So in fact, this is just other mention, okay? So it is very interesting because these series, in fact, they were created, the podcast, precisely to celebrate, because I knew about what Tesla, the share price, it was going to do. As I continue, in fact, demonstrating it live on the tape, 100% accuracy since IPO. I already knew that Tesla, it was going to soar to $4,000, and for me, it has been a pleasure to celebrate $500. $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, and these wealthy Americans, they scramble, to raise targets then every single week to keep up to date with the amazing performance of Tesla share price. All right. So congratulations to everyone once again, and obviously this intervention today on YouTube. The introduction to the podcast, the free one. I also will make it available on the podcast itself, because today we are again celebrating terrific profits as trading continuing the case of Spotify. And if you are not familiar with Spotify, well, you should be, because it is a beautiful process that I've been discussing since the very first day on IPO, and you find extensive documentation about Spotify. And this Spotify, it is interesting because, in fact, Spotify is a case very similar to Tesla, where everyone else failed. Okay, so when you refer to the story about Spotify, you are going to notice that every single Wall Street analyst, they call themselves analysts, they failed. They do not know, they do not comprehend what Spotify is doing at $350. They not comprehend. All right, so you go through it's pretty much like the case of Tesla. They still are trying to comprehend how Tesla could got to $4,000 plus. They still are wondering how is this possible, okay? And then the interesting is that they come out with all sort of arguments and excuses later on. So they downgrade stocks at the bottom, and then they try to make excuses and to figure out what is going to be the future, and then they scramble to raise price targets in the future to keep up to date with the price targets, the current prices, which is very interesting. And in fact, this is not just about Tesla or Spotify. There is a terrific story that I invite you to go through, which is the case of Roku, that I referred last year in 2020 to be worth more than $4,400. And at that time, the highest price target that you had in Wall Street, and by the way, it was made available to subscribers when Roku, on the day that Roku, it was trading at $60, precise the very bottom. It was interesting because the highest price target for Roku at that time, they were downgrading the stock en masse. And it was interesting because even the most bullish Wall Street analyst, it had a price target to 120, okay? So today, Roku is a stock almost trading at $500, which obviously does not constitute any surprise because they had all this information from last year in 2020, and I continued saying, invest in Roku, buy Roku, and you go to the blog of the company and you are going to find precisely buy Roku, and this is the company that you are going to find that is going to be pretty much as the case of Tesla. So today, you know why Roku, it is almost $500, okay? Because everything that I said a long time ago, it is happening today. This is the value of having precisely access to the live streaming sessions and these market analysis that I'm responsible for, all right? Thank you very much. And once again, I'm going to leave you here with the link to the podcast, okay, the free podcast. And you'll find, I believe, the lessons about Spotify, at least some of them, on YouTube, precisely here. All right? Thank you very much. Bye.